Hello everyone, and welcome to Tarano Speak English. I am very happy to see you here today. On this channel, I help you speak English with confidence. You do not need perfect English to start. You only need practice and a positive mind. In today's video, I will share 10 success tips to help you speak English fluently. These tips are simple and easy for beginners. You can use them in your daily life. I use these tips, and they really work. You can improve your English step by step. Let's start learning together. Relax and enjoy the lesson. Remember, I am learning with you. You are not alone in this journey. Now, let's begin. Tip number 1. Speak every day. First, you need to speak English every day. I know you are busy, and that is okay. You only need 5 or 10 minutes a day. Small practice is still good practice. You can always find a little time. When I speak every day, I feel more confident. You can talk to yourself at home. You can speak while cooking or walking. You can say simple sentences again and again. This helps your brain learn faster. Do not wait for a long study time. Daily speaking builds a strong habit. I practice a little, and I improve a lot. You can do the same thing. Just start today. Tip number 2. Don't wait to be perfect. Second, do not wait to be perfect. I make mistakes when I speak English. You also will make mistakes. Mistakes are normal and good. They help you learn. When I wait to be perfect, I do not speak. When I speak, I learn faster. You do not need perfect grammar. You only need to communicate. People understand you more than you think. Be brave and speak now. I believe in you. You should believe in yourself too. Every mistake is a lesson. Keep speaking with confidence. Tip number 3. Start with simple sentences. Third, start with simple sentences. I use easy words every day. You do not need big or difficult words. Simple English is clear English. People like clear English. When I say short sentences, I feel relaxed. You can say, I like coffee. You can say, I am learning English. These sentences are easy and useful. They help you speak naturally. Wadi. Start small and grow slowly. I started with simple sentences too. You are doing the right thing. Simple English builds strong English. Keep it simple and keep going. Tip number 4. Think in English. Fourth, try to think in English. I stopped translating from my language. You should try this too. At first, it feels difficult, but it gets easier every day. When I think in English, I speak faster. You can think about daily things. For example, I am hungry, or I need water. These thoughts train your brain. Do this many times a day. I practice thinking in English everywhere. You can do it at home or outside. Your mind will get used to English. This helps you speak fluently. Tip number 5. Repeat and copy native speakers. Fifth, both repeat and copy native speakers. I listen to English videos every day. You can use YouTube or podcasts. Listen carefully to the sound, then repeat the sentence. When I copy pronunciation, I improve faster. You can copy the speed and rhythm. You do not need to understand every word. Just listen and repeat. This trains your mouth and ears. Practice this again and again. I repeat one sentence many times. You should not feel shy. This is a powerful method. It really works. Tip number 6. Bini, learn useful daily phrases. Sixth, learn useful daily phrases. I focus on real-life English. You should do the same. This English is easy to remember. You can use it every day. I learn phrases for greetings and shopping. You can learn phrases for food and travel. For example, how much is this? Or, can you help me? These phrases are very useful. When you use real English, you feel confident. I feel happy when I use English outside. You will feel proud too. Learn phrases, not long grammar rules. Use English in real life. Tip number 7, speak out loud. 7th, speak out loud. I do not only read in my head. You should open your mouth and speak. Your voice is important. Your mouth needs training. When I speak out loud, I hear my English. You can hear your mistakes. You can fix them slowly. This is very helpful. Silent study is not enough. Speak loud at home or alone. I practice even when no one listens. You can do it too. This builds confidence. Your speaking will improve. Tip number 8. Use English in daily life. 8th, use English in your daily life. I use English for small things. You can describe what you see. You can talk about your day. This makes English natural. When I walk, I name things in English. You can say, this is a car, or the weather is hot. Simple sentences are perfect. They help you practice easily. Make English part of your life. I use English every day. You can do it too. Daily use builds fluency. Practice without pressure. Tip number 9, listen more at first. 9th, listen more than you speak at first. I listen to English a lot. Listening helps my brain learn. You learn natural English sounds. This is very important. When I listen, speaking feels easier. You can listen to songs or videos. You can listen while relaxing. Do not worry about understanding everything. Just enjoy the sound. Good listening leads to good speaking. I trust this process. You should trust it too. Your English will grow naturally. Be patient with yourself. And tip number 10, be patient and enjoy learning. Finally, be patient and enjoy learning. I know learning English takes time. You may feel tired sometimes. That is normal. Do not give up. I celebrate small progress. You should celebrate too. Every new word is success. Every sentence is progress. You are moving forward. Enjoy the journey, not only the result. I enjoy learning with you. You are doing great. Practice every day with a smile. You will speak English fluently. Thank you for watching. Tarano Speak English. I am proud of you for learning today. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. Please add your comment, like, and share this video with your friends. Your support helps the channel grow. Remember to practice English every day. I practice every day, and you can too. Small steps bring big results. Do not stop speaking. Keep believing in yourself. Watch the next video to learn more English tips for daily life. I will see you in the next lesson. Let's improve together. Keep speaking English. See you soon.